S2K here. It's day 3 of the S2000 rebuild. And as you can see, we're taking out the engine now, the F20 C1. So the plan is to power wash the bay, degrease the engine bay, degrease the motor, and take off the wire harness, because you'll see in a second. It was in a barn and a rat got to at least 14 wires on the back of the harness, chewed through everything so the car wouldn't start. And just leave in the comments what swap you think I should do. You think I should go F22 or K24, or go back with a low miles F20 C1? Should I supercharge it? Should I turbocharge it? Or should I stay NA? Yeah, so the bay still has like a lot of leaves, so I'm gonna vacuum out the bay, power wash, degrease it, clean it up real nice. That'll be day 4. And then day 5, we should have the harness repaired and a swap should be ready to go back in. Yeah, so as you can see, all the harness on the back of the engine was chewed up.